Miss Cutillo?
Yeah, Miss Cutillo.
Okay, you're Miss Cutillo, I'm Mrs. Cutillo. Okay, what supplies do we need?
Like coloring supplies and a pen and pencil. That's it. That's all you need.
A coloring supply and pencil and paper.
Yeah.
Should we use like cardstock paper? Or should we use like thin paper?
That you can like fold.
Paper that you can fold, which I think you're going to be providing.
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy. Anything else we have to say?
No.
Happy birthday, Clara. Okay, bye.
So, make sure you need, and just in case you're using a marker or something like that.
So it doesn't bleed through.
Yeah, so it doesn't bleed through and it gets like something on it. So first you're gonna fold down this part to the end of your paper.
Would we call that a hamburger fold or hot dog fold?
Hamburger.
A hamburger. Okay.
Next you're gonna fold this part and fold it. But I'm gonna just do this backwards and fold it up like that.
So should I do it like that too? Okay. We're folding one side up.
And then it should be like this, so it can open like that.
Hold on a second. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Do we have this upside down? Like, should we make the? No.
No.
It's okay that it's drawing it upside down. Because you can't draw upside down.
You can do that in editing.
Oh, we can do it in editing. Okay. All right. Fine. All right.
Well, you might want to pause and then unpause for that part. So you can still do it.
Okay. So first you're gonna just take and.
Hold on. Wait. So we close it first when we start drawing.
So you're gonna take it and draw a circle. Anything that you're using.
A circle over the folded part. A
Over
big
the
circle, a small circle, a medium-sized circle.
Over the part, so when you open it, it looks like that. I'm gonna flip it upside down to show you.
You don't have to flip it upside down. Remember, I'm going to flip the whole thing upside down. So it's like a cut in half circle.
Next, open it and draw a line to connect it
Okay.
on the side. Next, you keep it open and draw a line to connect it completely. And by the way, you can make any animal that you want. You can draw like something that doesn't go past the line, like a cat or like mouse ears, or like bear ears.
So this is a cat like happy birthday cat, but it can be different kind of ears if you don't want to do cat ears.
Yeah, but it can't go past the line that you.
It can't go past this line right here.
It can't go past this line.
Okay.
Next, you're gonna draw little cat ears like that.
Like this. And like this. Okay.
Next, you can draw the little thingies inside. What is it called?
I don't know what the word. It's like.
Yeah, it's like I don't know what that word is either.
The inside of their ears.
Inside. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
Next, you're gonna draw 2 black eyes.
Big eyes like that, or?
You can draw however you want.
I'm just gonna follow you. Although I think I made my eyes too far apart and not big enough.
It doesn't matter how far apart they are. Because mine are really far apart.
And then color those in black?
Yeah, if you want. You don't have to. I'm just going to shake up my marker.
Should I shake up my marker?
Well, yours is a Posca marker or a paint marker.
Okay.
You guys aren't going to be using paint markers right now.
Okay.
Next, you draw a little nose. You can do a dot, an upside down triangle, but I'm going to do an upside down triangle.
An upside down triangle, okay.
So, yeah. Like that. And kind of like fold them down. So, kind of
no.
Whoops. Like that. Oh, it's fine. Because remember you messed up when we practiced. So.
Remember, Mom? You're always messing up. Okay.
Next. Now, if you...
Oh, okay.
I forgot the little whiskers, so you can draw little whiskers.
Little whiskers, okay.
What if we name our pets whiskers?
That would be good news.
And if you want, you can draw like a little like this can be like little legs, and then you can draw like that,
Legs? Do I have to draw legs?
No, you don't have to.
Okay. Oh, can I draw a tail?
Yeah, you can draw a little tail.
I'm gonna make
I'm just gonna do that.
Okay.
Now you open
Now
it.
I open it. Okay.
And you can like fold it down so you can just like keep it like that. First you're going to draw another line here, but if you want you can close it and do it, but I'm going to keep opening it.
Is that just to show like the folded part and the unfolded part?
Uh-huh. And kind of that's gonna be like the mouth. So like when you close it, it's like a closed mouth, and then when you open it, it's an open mouth. Next, I'm gonna draw two little triangles to make the little teeth. Sorry.
Well, can I do mine a little different?
You can make
Because
them.
instead of a mouth, I want mine to have like paws, and I want it to be like this. Is that okay?
And if you want, you can add paws inside the mouth. So I'm gonna copy my mom's idea. What the heck we're doing? We're doing like there's gonna be anything in your hand. I'm gonna, instead of a happy birthday song, which I did in my, do a birthday present.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So first you're gonna just draw a square.
I'm gonna do a happy birthday sign because then we can show them two different things that they can do.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Next you draw two little like circle. It's kind of like a heart, kind of, not really.
Okay.
Next you draw two little lines like that, and make sure you don't go over it, and just like.
Birthday in our family.
Dad.
Dad?
You draw like those little thingies that go on the bottom. Sorry if you see my head going like, hello.
Okay. Now I drew my object that's in the hands. Now what?
Now you can here's the time where you start adding a little color. So take any colors that you want. I'm gonna use blue. And like add
Hey, confetti.
like little like.
I'm gonna use my fancy markers. Shout out
Now
to
it's time that you take your pencil, and close it, for a sec, because you don't want to go past the line and just draw. Oh yeah, sorry.
Just say that again.
So you're gonna close it and do like little like lines to, just like to draw a straight line, because you don't want your confetti to go past that.
Got it. And should I do the same thing on the top here?
Oh yeah,
Just
try to
lightly?
do the same thing on the top.
Here's your pencil back.
Thanks. I need a pencil.
Okay, so then in between those two lines, that's where we're drawing all the confetti and stuff?
Yeah. So like, this is supposed to be like when you close it, it's not a birthday cat, it's a plain cat.
It's just a regular cat.
It's just a plain animal, and then when you open it, it's like a birthday because it wants to celebrate your birthday. Or you can make two for every birthday, like.
Wait, what did you just say? Can you say that again a little slower?
You can make this for whoever you want if they have their birthday coming up or something.
That's it.
You can make other little like.
Because everybody knows somebody who's having a birthday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know when your teacher's birthday is? No. It already passed, didn't it? Because then you guys didn't like get her present?
No, this year it didn't pass. Last year it did.
Got it.
Do
Do you know when your brother's birthday is?
July 3rd.
Ooh, good job. I have a question.
Yeah.
Can and should the confetti things go on like the body of the cat too?
If you want to, you don't have to.
Okay.
They're like little
So is this the part that
stars.
we're gonna speed up and have music playing in the background? Dun, 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 when we're coloring it in and drawing it?
No, not when we're drawing these. Like right
Okay.
now, we're not gonna like cut it out. Cause like if you wanna, we can like show them how to like draw little like details.
Okay.
I'm gonna take another color. I'm gonna take my black, and I'm gonna make a little balloon.
Okay. Should we put confetti like over the cat's body too? So So it's like the confetti is all over the place, or no?
If you want to, you don't have to. I'm not going to.
Didn't I ask that before?
You just did.
Oh no. Okay, so something that I just learned is you can close it to look at it, but don't draw with markers because it'll bleed through. Luckily, when you open it up, it's supposed to look kind of crazy with confetti and stuff, so I think it's
Yeah, it kinda
gonna
looks like
be
more
okay.
confetti. Yeah,
And
it
I'm
looks
gonna color in. You're gonna see the finished result. You're never gonna know that I messed up.
You made our cat floating surprise.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Clara!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Clara!
Have it.
It's not my birthday.
It is.
Bye! Hope you had fun!
Bye.